Hey guys, what is grounding? We're gonna go over this. I've actually had a few questions about it lately, and we haven't done a what is video in a while. We did one for KBs, I think, microamps. I think we did one for, I don't remember. We did a few of them. So this is a question a lot of people have and a lot of questions. One of the questions I had is back in video number 133 or 134, the silcox. I took something off my rod and powder coated it like this. You're still grounding it. Your body is grounded to the ground. You know, it's an earth ground. So you are still grounding it. So as I'm doing it, that's why if you ever hold something and you powder it, you're gonna get powder on your hands, sticking to your hands, because you're basically grounded. Just make sure your part is clean. What we do is if we use if we use any of these, we throw it into a pile and we will not use it again until we put it either through the acid dip and clean them up, or we blast them off. Usually we don't blast them, usually we use the acid. So we make sure that we have plenty of clean parts. You want that connection. If you have powder on it, that's gonna block the negative charge from the positive charge. So what is a ground basically? So our system, we have to start. So our system in an 8-foot ground rod, it's 5/8. I believe it's 5/8. Just regular wire, braided wire. The thicker the wire, the better it is, the less resistance that you're gonna have. These are acorns. I got this at the local hardware. 8-foot ground rod. I drilled a hole in my concrete and pounded the whole 8 foot down in there. I think the ground rod was probably like $5 or something. I really don't remember. It was a few years ago. And these are acorns. Okay, so I got 3 of these, okay? They're going out. Bear with me with so much movement. So you can see they're coming up along the side. They're coming up. Okay, I have those going out to another spot. And then I have one, let me take these down. So I have the clear braided one coming here, wrapped. I have an acorn here, and then this is another 5/8 ground rod, okay? This I have on the ground rod. And then like this, I probably, yeah, that's clean. It doesn't look it, but it is. So these ones, what I may use them for, see right here? If I'm having any issues or we're doing a couple jobs at the same time and I'm using this, I may take one of those and bring it out here into the middle of the floor, or bring it over here, hook it up to directly to the machine, and then the other one to the part as I'm hanging it. Even though this is grounded, I have metal wheels on these. So per se, this is basically grounded too. But just say I want to make sure I have a good charge, I will ground this out, do it that way. So that's our ground system. Like I said, it's just a ground rod, a line, and we like to hang our stuff on this. So that's basically our grounding system, very basic system. If I could have went outside with it and run it through, if I didn't have the stuff to drill a hole. If you're doing anything near a fuse box, circuit box, they have ground rods. You can pinch on there or attach to their line. We have the thick line because it's less restrictive. But that's basically that. And I went over everything. Remember, taking it off, we're grounded ourselves. the main thing you just have to remember is your powder is negatively charged. It's negative ions. And your ground rod system is positive. And that's what's attracting to each other. If you have a negative charge, and not a strong positive system, it's gonna just fall off. That's what your kV is for. When you turn up your kV, you're amplifying your negative charge to hopefully be able to have it strong enough to stick to your weaker positive charge. But if you have a good positive charge here, your kV shouldn't have to be up. So that's basically where your kV helps you out with systems. It's just like if you have powder on it, you need that little extra boost of kV to get to the powder, to get to that positive charged. I know it sounds weird calling it charged, but that's what it is. It's positive, and that's your negative. Okay, guys, I do got it's just like 1:30. Yeah, fuck. I do have another what is video coming up. I'm gonna do my KV and a KKHD. I was called out the other day on saying you can't adjust a KKHD, which they're technically right. You can adjust it, but it's just not good, which I'll explain all that. But I just want to quickly go over this, get this out of the way. The system, if you have any questions at all, in the description is my Facebook page. Go onto my Facebook page and IM me, messenger me. I get like 20 to 50 messages a day. I try to answer them all, usually in the evening when we're done mobile blasting for the day. But don't think anything is too small. Like one of the guys said, like, this is basic, and he didn't want to ask me it, but that's what we're here for. We're here for our channel's here for all the little stuff. It's a little stuff that I don't even think about, and a lot of us coders don't think about it, but we have been through it just like you guys are going through it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe. So if you haven't, hit the button somewhere here. So yeah, I think that's about it. Like I said, it was part, I did go back and look. It's on video 133, the cell cock, where I took, I think it was a cap. I took it off and sprayed it. So you'll be able to see what this person's referring to. So I will let you go. I hope you guys have a good day, night, whatever the heck it is, wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video.